सबसे पहले तो इंडिया हैज वन द मैच, इसके लिए आपकी तरफ से एक बधाई होनी चाहिए सभी लोगों से।
Absolutely, I think जितना बोले उतना कम है नहीं. Everybody has been like super excited. Social media is full of it. Everyone in my house was really excited. I wanted to go out and party. Unfortunately, I couldn't. It's such a huge and a proud feeling, you know. And congratulations to the entire team. And yay, हम जीत गए.
कृति जी, अगर इस कैमरे के साथ आपको एक दिन पापाराजी बनने का मौका मिले,
आपकी आवाज मुझे पहचान में आ गई. आप हैं कहाँ?
हाँ, इस कैमरे के साथ अगर आपको एक दिन पापाराजी बनने का मौका मिले तो कौन से सेलिब्रिटी को ट्रैक करके आप उनकी फोटो क्लिक करना पसंद करेंगे?
मैं आपको फॉलो करूंगी. आप जहाँ जा रहे हो, आप जिस सैलून से निकल रहे हो, आप कहीं जिम जा रहे हो, अगर जाते हो, आप जहाँ से निकल नहीं जाते हो, घर के बाहर तो जाते हो. इवेंट पे जाते हो, तो वो इवेंट पे आते हुए मैं आपकी स्पॉटिंग डालूंगी.
मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, इस कैमरे से आप पहली तस्वीर किसके साथ खींचना चाहेंगे?
पहली तस्वीर तो मैं ले चुकी हूँ मीडिया की. सबसे पहली तस्वीर उनकी जो मेरी तस्वीरें लेते हैं.
बट यहाँ से जाने के बाद किसकी लेंगे, इसके साथ पसंद करेंगे आप?
आई थिंक इसके बाद मैं घर जा रही हूँ. सबसे पहले मेरे पपीज डिस्को एंड फीबी, पहली पिक्चर शायद उनके साथ करती हूँ, क्योंकि दरवाजे में वही आते हैं मुझे वेलकम देने के लिए.
पहले कैमरा को ओन करना वो तो वेरी प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर एवरीवन, यू नो. तो इफ यू रिमेंबर इट वाज योर वेरी फर्स्ट व्हेन यू ओन्ड योर ओन मनी, आपने कितना पर्सनल कैमरा फील किया होगा.
I don't think I remember owning my first camera, but I remember the feeling of analog pictures जो होती थी, जो print करते थे, you know, that feeling of holding the picture, और जब वो roll develop होके आता था और सब घर में बैठे थे देखने के लिए कि कैसी आई है picture, you know, that feeling of not knowing how the picture has turned out to be and seeing it in the physical form was a very different feeling. You know, we used to make like scrapbooks at that point and paste all the pictures to have just memories with us. So that is the first feeling of camera and photographs that I have, you know, before the digital age. And I think this is a camera that kind of gives back that feeling, which and way more instantly. You don't have to wait for the roll to develop anymore. You just click and you get it in the physical form, which you can place anywhere. You know, whether it's in your room, whether it's in a scrapbook, whether gifting it to someone. That's what I personally love the most. पता है फोन पे कितनी पिक्चर्स हैं आपकी? आपको पता है आपके फोन पे कितनी पिक्चर्स हैं? मतलब इट्स अनलिमिटेड. और एक सेल्फी खींचने के चक्कर में कितनी लेते हैं हम लोग सेल्फीज, राइट? उसमें से कितनी तो यूजलेस होती है. So I feel when you want to go back to a memory, sometimes it really gets very difficult to actually find it. And you know, those really special moments that you want to treasure and just see. So I feel in this digital age, the youngsters and in general people, I feel are going back to the analog time, you know, to feel the preciousness of those moments. I feel I have so many of these pictures. And what I love is that they are very instant. अब आपको wait नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, आपके सामने वो picture instantly आ जाती है. I also sometimes have used it to, you know, just instantly take a picture with a friend, and then, you know, a year later or 2 years later, you can write a special note on that film. There's a frame outside the picture, so you can write a little note and you can gift it to somebody, and it's just really special, I feel.
My question to you is, well, we are seeing you become quite a business person beyond your films as well. From your cosmetic line being so successful to now being a brand ambassador, I wanted to understand, as an actor, how important do you consider these endorsements, and what is the work that goes behind before you associate your name to a brand?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, I feel with any brand that you associate with, I think the first and most important thing that I look for is the brand value, what it stands for, what is the purpose, the quality, you know, of the products, and that's very important. Of course, when you associate with a brand like Fujifilm, which, you know, I've grown up with this brand around me, and it's just a privilege to be associated with a brand that stands for so much quality and just like amazing variety of work that they've been doing actually, with the innovation that they come up with, you know, staying connected to the youth as well. So that for me is very, very important. I think for an actor, when I associate with a brand, I do understand that people sort of get influenced by what I say. So for me, it's important to associate with a brand that I really believe in, truly, you know, and this is definitely one of those.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.